Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over 3 ways to get Microsoft OneDrive for free. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description. The first way to get Microsoft OneDrive for free is to open up your browser and go to OneDrive.com. When you do this, you may be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account, so go ahead and do that. If you don't have a Microsoft account, go ahead and create one. It's a free account, and you will be able to get Microsoft OneDrive as well as several other applications for free. So once I'm on OneDrive.com, I can see all of my files that I've uploaded to my OneDrive, as well as any files that have been shared with me. The second way to get OneDrive for free is on my desktop. So if I go down here and I type in Store and I go to the Microsoft Store by clicking this app up here, I can go up here to the search bar and I can type in OneDrive. And I can see the icon right here for OneDrive, so I'm going to select this one right here. Now I want to make sure that this says Microsoft Corporation, so I know that I'm getting the authentic OneDrive app. So once I'm on this page, I'm just going to hit the Get button right here. And this will install OneDrive on my desktop. So after I've done that, I can go down here to search and I can just type in OneDrive. And I can see the app right here installed on my computer. If you don't see it in here, you can always go over here to the Start button. Scroll down to the O's and click on OneDrive from here. Now this will launch all the files that I have inside of my OneDrive. And the files that I have here will sync with what I have on Office.com unless I change some of those settings. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. The third way for me to get OneDrive is on my iPhone. So if I open up the App Store, or if you're using a Droid, just open up the Google Store and I click here and I type in OneDrive. I'm just going to click OneDrive here and scroll down until I see the Microsoft version. And I'm just going to click the Get or the Open button if I already have it installed right here. But if you've chosen Get and you've installed it, then you should be able to go look for the app on your phone and click the app. And then you'll be able to see all your files that are out on OneDrive right here. And you'll be able to access them as well. One important thing to keep in mind, you will want to make sure that you are logged into the same Microsoft account on Office.com and your desktop and your phone if you want all of these files to sync and you want to be able to see the files that you create. So just keep that in mind when you're using all 3 of these free options. So hopefully you've learned some ways to get OneDrive for free. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.